As you may have noticed, Instagram has removed the like count from viewers in certain countries. To see why and what it means, check out the video I did for that. The link can be found in the description or the information button on the top right corner of this video. There's still a way to see the number of views like before and without having to click into your own post, as well as for others' posts. There are two ways to do this, and both involve being on a laptop or a desktop. The first way is using a browser, so open up your favorite browser and navigate to instagram.com. Now log into your account. Now you can see the number of likes for your posts and others' posts when on the list view. And if you click into a person's account, you can see the views and comments count by hovering over the post. The second way is if you're on a Windows machine. You can access the Windows Instagram app similarly to how you use the browser version. For the moment, this is the only way I know how to continue to see the like counts of your and others' posts. I'm not certain if this was an oversight on Instagram's part or whether they probably have different code bases for the web, desktop, and mobile applications, and decided the effort to change both code bases might not be needed until the test is over. If it is an oversight, they might rectify soon. If not, they realize that most people are primarily on their mobile devices and would not usually be on a laptop or desktop for something like Instagram. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.